This Halloween, you can forget the tricks. Instead, treat your taste buds to a spook-tacular pasta dinner. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee Registered Dietitian, and today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you my secret Halloween recipe for Southwestern Black Bean Spaghetti. This frighteningly delicious dish is filled with mouth-watering ingredients, ranging from Monterey mushrooms to fire-roasted tomatoes. So let's stop waiting and let's get cooking! To start, drop 1 package of black bean spaghetti into your bubbling cauldron of choice. These black bean noodles are a nutritional powerhouse, providing your body with 25 grams of protein and 11 grams of fiber with every serving. While the pasta cooks, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic to a large pan over medium heat. Sauté for 1 minute. Then stir in a package of Monterey sliced baby bella mushrooms, 1 diced onion, 1 diced green bell pepper, and sauté for 2 minutes. Then stir in a can of mixed corn, 1 can of heart-healthy fire-roasted tomatoes, and turn your heat down to low. This graveyard grub is looking good. Next, take a small bowl and combine 1 package of green chili enchilada sauce and 1 package of Greek yogurt cream cheese. Then stir the resulting combo into your pan, along with 1 to 2 teaspoons of chipotle chili powder. Divvy up your black bean spaghetti and top each bowl with a creamy mix. I like to garnish mine with cilantro for a little extra Halloween treat. Then all that's left is to dig into this deliciously spooky pasta and enjoy. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee's YouTube channel. And remember, you can always connect virtually with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at hyvee.com/health.